to another video. Today is my birthday and I am with my cousins here today.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, MJ.
Hey, happy birthday, MJ, from your papa.
So, we are not going to be unboxing these today, but I'm just going to be reviewing them inside the box. So first we have the Bachman Gordon. We have the Bachman Gordon. It's the deluxe Gordon the Express engine with moving eyes, and it's Bachman. And then we have this Weathers Pro Amtrak coach from Weathers Pro. And it's setting the standard for excellent in model railroading.
Oh, wow. Who knew?
So,
I feel like I'm watching a documentary.
yeah, this coach we're going to review first. So it's an Amtrak coach. It has some doors. It has the original color slide like the actual Amtrak train. It has 2 doors and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows. And the rest of it is silver. They have some ladders. They have nice T-tail.
When MJ and Aiden and I were out there,
They have really nice T-tail. And this is HO scale. No, thank you.
the day before there.
This is my donut that I'm going to have for my birthday. Now, this is Gordon, the Express engine. Yay! His face is pretty nice. He moves his eyes. He has a blue bottom, which I'm not happy about. And here's his actual train. It's very detailed. And he doesn't have a separate rail, which is pretty bad. But he does have a separate replied whistle and safety valve. And then there's good detail. Alright everybody, thank you all for watching this video, and goodbye.